Try adding a multiband compressor to your master audio track to give your audio that final polish. Go to Window, Audio Track Mixer. The far right audio track will be your master track. Click on the Effects Selection dropdowns, and under Amplitude and Compression, choose Multiband Compressor. Double-click on it to open it up. You have some presets here you can try out, like this broadcast one, and play back your video to hear its effect.
Today I'll be shooting with two cameras. For digital photos, I'll use my trusty Canon 5D Mark IV and 35mm 1.4 lens. Today I'll be shooting with two cameras. For digital photos, I'll use my trusty Canon 5D Mark IV and 35mm.
Multiband compression works by splitting your audio into frequency bands. You have your lows, low mids, and highs, and individual compression settings for each set of frequencies. If you aren't comfortable adjusting compression settings, no worries, just find a preset that you like, and then just adjust the output gain as needed. That's all for this one.